Yo, what's going on, guys? JSP here, and I'm back again with another video. Goddamn, playing some hardcore using this freaking beautiful ass shotgun, and I'ma just show you how OP this shotgun is. Not off to a good start. How OP this shotgun is in hardcore. I mean, this thing is unbelievably good. Yo, stop that glitching, boy. Oh shit, I killed my teammate. My bad. I know, chill. There you go, see, that's what I'm talking about. This thing is OP, baby. Did you just see what I just did? What am I doing? I mean, like, what do you want me to do? I mean, it's like, I'm telling you boys, this thing is OP. Even in regular core, this thing is freaking awesome. But in hardcore, this thing's a different level. Ghana flow. Hey, he just shot my body. That guy just shot my body. Yo, why the hell did you kill me? Don't kill me, boy. What's wrong with you? Sorry, man, if you kill me, bro, I don't care. Oh my god, get inside. Can't let the team disrespect you like that. Got the harp up. I'm really about to go off right now. You already know. And yo, where y'all at? That's one. That's two. Goddamn, I died. Yo, stop killing me! By the way, this isn't the regular shotgun. This shotgun is part of a bundle that I bought. Cause there's two type of ones. There's one that you just can unlock on a tier, and I think there's one that you just can buy in a bundle. And this is the one that I got in a bundle. This isn't the regular one. Pull up right behind me. You already know. That's two. Got killed from behind. That's alright. Yo, it's 94, 93. It's 96, 97. Yeah, it's over. Yeah, it's over. Oh, we won. Hey, we freaking won. You already know. This shotgun is OP, cuz. This shotgun's OP. I mean, look at this. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. Oh, you must bam. Two piece right here. Oh, I low-key missed. Oh my god. Okay, right there. Okay, now I missed. Bam. And I got him too. Bam. You already know. Bam. Hey, yo, we back. You already know. Back again. We're hardcore. On Nuketown. With the shotty. Let's freaking go. Get more kills. Get your ass whooped. Get your ass whooped. Who wants the smoke? Cause I'ma kill you. Who won it? Cause you ain't beating me. Who wants the smoke? I mean, if you guys haven't tried out the shotgun in hardcore, I suggest that you do. This thing is so beautiful. Let's go, man. Today's Friday. Let's freaking go. It's the weekend. Time to freaking. I do absolutely nothing. Doesn't matter if it's really Friday anyways. I mean, there's nothing you can really do. Everything's closed by like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It's freaking whack. But it's still Friday, so everyone enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Cause you already know. It's Friday. Hey. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Come on, I know someone's here. Come on, baby. Oh, you want some too? Oh, you want to take my kill, huh? Later tonight, basically tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, the time changes and daylight savings comes back. And we go back an hour, basically back to regular time. So no more of this bullshit getting late as hell early. Go back to regular time. The sun will be out longer. and this is the favorite, the most. This is the best time of the year. Daylight savings comes back. Spring comes. Winter bye bye. Snow melts. Best time of the year. Let's go. Yeah, so the time goes back to normal. I think when it turns 2, it goes back to 1, or when it turns 3, it goes back to 2. Not sure. I don't know. I'm not smart. But yeah, the time does change later tonight. You have a sentry gun? Oh no, we have a sentry gun with the trophy system next to it. Oh, I got time for this. I got time for you, you dumb, stupid. Okay, it's not there no more. This thing freaking absolutely sucks on hardcore. It takes too freaking long. I mean, there's no point in using this. Oh shit, I killed my teammate. Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't seen it, they added a new item, a new melee weapon. It's a freaking shovel that you can get. I think it's part of a bundle. Yeah, one of the worst things ever. It's a shovel, right? But it takes 2 hits for you to kill someone with it. Like, bruh. Like, why use that when you can use a knife? God damn it, with the airstrikes! But I got a heart though. And you already know though that we gonna win. Oh, watch this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Reload. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, this thing, you guys have tried. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Don't end. Oh. No, I don't reload. You lucky. Damn. That junk was freaking nice. It's me again. Cause you already know that I get kill cam all day. They call me J-Speed. Cause I'm a dumbass. Look at this kill cam. Cause it's so nice. Hey, look at that. Bam. Let's get it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching today's video. Go use the sweeper shotgun. Wait, what is it called? Hold on. The Surge Protector. Use that shotgun in hardcore, and I'm telling you, you won't regret it. It's freaking amazing. It's freaking awesome. Trust me. I may be dumb sometimes, but trust me, I'm right on this one. Alright? Use this hardcore, specifically Nuketown, because it's a small map, and you'll do freaking amazing on it. You'll probably kill the whole team with like 3 shots. It's freaking awesome. But yeah guys, thanks for watching today's video. I'm out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.